Everyone, let's do one basic lab about the DHCP. So this is a packet tracer I am using. You can see this version currently I am using. Later if you get any update, you can use the updated version. So in this one we are going to do the DHCP lab. So you can take one switch and you can go here, you can take some computer here, and this is a server. We can use this one as a DHCP server. And then we can connect the cable. You can see here we can connect multiple devices to the switch. As we already know that switch we use to connect the more than one computer. If you want to connect more than one computer, you cannot connect directly, you need the switch. And this is a server. So this is a DHCP lab. We can write here DHCP lab, and if you see here, this is our topology. This is our lab topology. Now we are going to do the configuration. So here name I can give as a DHCP server, and here I can give as a switch 1, and let me put here I am going to configure the IP address to this server is 192.168.1.1/24. So how to assign the IP address? First go inside this one, go to desktop, go to IP config and configure the IP address here. So I will write here 192.168.1.1, then subnet mask. Automatically it will come because this is a class C. And gateway, currently we are not using the router, but anyhow I will put gateway as a 192.168.1.2. and DNS also I will give the gateway only, that is 192.168.1.2. so this is the IP configure. After that we need to go to the services, and you can see here you have the DHCP. Click this one and go here, enable the DHCP server here, and here gateway what we want to give you can put. This is a default pool name, we can use this one or we can create new one also. I am using the default one, so keep as it is and put the gateway. If you remember, we told gateway will be 192.168.1.2, so I will give that one. DNS also I am saying the same IP, so I am putting the same IP. Later we can connect the router for that one. And here if you see starting IP address you have here, so you can say start the IP from 192.168.1.10. so after that one they can start, and they can use the same subnet. And here maximum how many IP they can give, our wish, we can say 100 IP. And here we don't have the TFTP server in this lab, we are not using, and also we don't have the WLC controller, so I will keep as 0 only here. I will not change anything. Then click save. You can see whatever we make changes that save here. So this way we will configure the DHCP server in the Cisco Packet Tracer inside the server. After that we can go in the computer, click here in the desktop and go to IP config and click here DHCP, and you can see you will get the IP from the DHCP. You can see 192.168.1.10, and this is the subnet mask we get, and this is the gateway and the DNS. We can check for the other machine also. You can see other machine is also getting here 192.168.1.11, and I will go here, let me check for other machine. This one you can see 192.168.1.12, and here we can see we have here 192.168.1.13. so our DHCP server is working perfectly. Okay, so this is a basic lab for DHCP server. I will share this in our Telegram channel, this lab. Okay, if you need you can look in our Telegram channel this lab file. Okay, thank you, bye.